Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
Hey, you dropped something. Hey, you see that? You drop something and then they'll be like, what? And you'd be like, my jaw.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah.
Hey, do you have a map? Because I'm getting lost in your eyes.
That's not bad.
Roses are red,
Yeah.
violets are blue.
Hey, what's your name? Because I'm really into you.
He came all the way from Virginia. Welcome, Leul. Oh.
Boogity, boogity, boogity. Boogity, boogity, boogity. Boogity.
Yesterday, I sat down and I wrote a love poem to you.
That's
Have you ever
More enthusiasm. Get the tool, boy. Get the tool. So, a couple days ago, I was talking to some girls. You know, rare events. And they basically literally told me that half of my friends were perverts. And then there was one guy in particular who had told one of my friends who's a girl that he would break up with her if they weren't going to have sex.
Oh, I know people like that. That's normal.
That's not normal.
That's not normal. but
That's
like,
forceful.
That's just a douchebag.
Yeah, that's such a douchebag thing, and that is a misconduct in many ways, even though it's not a legal misconduct. Agreed? Or
I guess.
I mean,
Legally it's fine.
oh my God, Leul, I'm having such a hard time getting this screw out. I think it's stripped.
Oh my god, what are you gonna do?
I know, right? I think
You might have to just.
it's gonna be so hard.
God, no.
God.
I think the project is over.
Leul, come on, you have to put some like pressure onto it. Don't continue to strip it.
I'm not keeping you.
Yo, dude, you're making it worse.
No, I'm not.
You have to
You're
put
not
more
keeping
here. Oh my God. Okay,
working.
we gotta talk about these earrings right here. Let me see.
Oh,
Yeah.
earrings? Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty fire. Dude, your hands are freaking wet. Don't touch me.
They're not wet, they're cold. Why'd you
Your
get
hands are
pierced?
cold. Don't
I'm
fuck
so
with me.
sorry, my hands are so
It's
cold.
just weird.
You know, guess what? Girls would really like to hold my hands in the
Nobody.
summer.
I know they don't. Like
In the summer. I said in the summer.
they're just
You know.
wet and cold.
Can I be honest with you? Like, I really want to get earrings. Right? But I feel like if I get earrings, people will judge me.
Why?
I don't know.
Do you think they'll think you're gay, or do you just like? How do you think they'll judge you?
I don't know. They'll just think I'm just more of a misfit.
Are you a misfit?
I don't feel like I'm a misfit, but I think a lot of people interpret black people like that.
I don't think you are a misfit, so I think you should get them. I don't think you should also care what they think. If you want to get earrings, just get earrings. It's earrings. Everybody has earrings. It's not as big as a deal.
It is time for the reveal. Okay, Leul, you ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Oh! Whoa! Ooh! What is happening? Dude, look how dusty it is. Damn. What?
It's like an actual car engine. Look at
In American TV, the beam scans 525 lines 30 times a second.
You want to turn on the music?
We're not having a dance out.
Come on. Come on.
No.
We have to end this with a dance.
Oh my god, no.
Please.
I'm not doing that.
How much money you got? How much money you got? How many problems you got? How many
Oh, yeah. Hey, I lost my phone. Can I borrow yours?
Hey, I lost my phone number. Can I borrow your number? Yeah, I like it. Have I seen you on the cover of Vogue?
Have you ever felt?
Hmm.